makes music that appeals to both edgy 15-year-olds and grown-ass women, and that's amazing to me. Hi friends! Hi, my name is Mia and this is my virtual vanity, a place where we both love makeup and we're quite critical of it. And if you're new, hi, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope you enjoy your stay. This video is a collaboration with one of my wonderful friends on YouTube. Her name is BeautBean, Betty-Jean. I just love the sound of her name, Betty-Jean. It's got a certain beat to it. Anyway, I really love her, so you should seriously go check out her channel. She does a lot of colorful looks, palette bingos, makeup challenges, all of that sort of creative good stuff that gets the makeup inspiration juices flowing. Her Instagram is also a treasure trove of great colorful looks. So if you're into that and a very chill, nice personality, then you definitely have to check her out. I really enjoy her channel. She's got such a nice voice. Like, I could listen to her read the ingredients from the back of a shampoo bottle. So yeah, bomb looks, nice voice, nice personality. What are you guys waiting for? Just go check her out, please. Anyway, this collab is a look inspired by an album that we both like, and that is Halsey, Badlands. The cover looks absolutely bomb. I'm gonna pop it up in the corner over here. And basically, as I said in the intro, I enjoy Halsey because her music appeals to the performance edgy 16-year-old in me, as well as me, the grown-ass woman, that as much as she likes to pretend she's successfully adulting, she's still got some unresolved feels going on. Halsey is not my favorite singer, but she's up there. I really do enjoy everything that she puts out. As for my regular favorite music, you guys go give a listen to Dance with the Dead because they are amazing. They're like synth metal with 80s elements. It's just chef's kiss. Amazing. You know what? I've talked enough. Without further ado, let me show you how I created this look over here inspired by this amazing album. Let's get started. Welcome to the tutorial of the look itself. I feel that this is too bright. Okay, that's better. So I've got a bunch of stuff that I want to work from. I kind of want to use colors from different palettes. You don't need to have those palettes, obviously. If you want to recreate this look or get inspiration from it, just look at the colors and sort of approximate what you already have in your collection. Not being colorblind would also help, but being colorblind and still picking might result in an even more interesting look, so your mileage may vary. Glasses are off. I am ready for business. First thing first, I already have my face on because on this channel we like to live dangerously and we do our eyes after everything else. And also the fact that I might possibly have to redo my makeup is a great incentive to be as efficient as I can and not fuck my look up. So there is that. I'm going to grab a very fluffy brush. This is a Cupio 305, which is, you know, I never name brushes on this channel, but I've been loving this. Mwah. I will take a setting shade and set my primer. We love a set primer in this house. Makes everything easier to blend, and I don't really use the stamping method that is so popular nowadays. I think it's amazing. It's just not what I really want to go for usually. So in case you weren't paying attention in the earlier part of the video, this is the Halsey album cover we're both inspiration from, and the color scheme is basically this strong teal, then some stronger pinks, a paler pink, and then that mountain rock, whatever it is in the background, that's kind of like a deep maroonish pink type of shade. So that is what we're going to work with on the eye. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to take these two shades in the Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics and start working on my crease. I'm first layering the lighter shade and then the darker one. So in case you're wondering what this channel is about, I basically post a little bit of everything. I post looks, I post rants, I post exposés on the beauty community, and I'm not a drama channel. I don't name names, I just talk about general specific issues and topics. I sometimes do project pans, I do makeup rehab type of work. I want to start doing a series where I do mythology, fantasy, art inspired looks, so that's going to come up soon. But overall, the only link between all of these is my love for makeup and my lack of will to live, which translates into me being sarcastic and hopefully funny. Keyword, hopefully. Next, I want to focus on that teal part of the cover, so I'm going to take this shade over here from the same Take Me Back to Brazil and use it on the lower lash line. Really smoked out, so I wanted to cover a lot of area below my eye. Oh Jesus, this is so powdery. If there is fallout, I'll raise hell. Keep changing my filming angles. I just don't know how to film looks, I swear to God. Okay, so now that I possibly look manic and synth poppy, let's start deepening out this pink and the blue. I'm going to take the Just Peachy Matte palette from Too Faced, and I'm going to use Peach Sangria to deepen out the crease. I'm also gonna wing it out a bit. People have asked me, Mia, what's your secret to these blown out, ethereal-like looks? Boys and girls, I'm going to tell you my secret for the first time ever. This is a national premiere. So, the secret is severe myopia. Because that causes me to blend everything into oblivion. I'm going to take a bit of this shade mixed with this shade and then adding it to the edges of the blue, of teal, turquoise, whatever you want to call it. From the Nabla Poison Garden palette, I'm going to take the shade Opera and mix it with Adagio and deepen out this outer V area and extend it out. Okay, I wanna bring it up a bit up. I'm going to take a tinier brush and with the same mix of colors on the lower lash line. Feeling a bit dissatisfied with how the pink I used shows up in the crease, or it seems a bit anemic, a bit sleepy. So I'm going to grab the shade Berry Bite and try to make everything more intense. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm going to take the Sleek Originals palette and dip into this turquoise shade and pop it in the middle of the lower lash line and on the lid, and let's hope it turns out okay. Okay, the brush isn't doing jack shit. Let's try with the finger. Okay, much better. You know, I haven't used this palette in a while, and I used to think these shades were the bee's knees before when I had less makeup to play with and hadn't tried a lot of stuff, but now they're just kind of, they work. They're okay. They're not nothing special, you know? I feel I could do more. You know, sometimes less is more, but more is more in this case. I'm going to grab the shade Tesla from Looxi Beauty. I want to see how it would look like if I popped it right in the center of the lid. This is a pink with an icy blue shift reflect, and the shift is quite strong, so I want to satisfy my curiosity, okay? Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Like, the pink doesn't show up. Instead, I'm left with the icy reflect on top of this blue. Generally it does show up, like the pink base is really strong. This time it's just, it intensified everything else. But you know what, let's not neglect it. Let's give it a chance to shine. I'm going to pop it as an inner corner highlight. There we go. I think this is done. So let's get back to full body Mia and the obligatory beauty guru poses with the final look. Okay guys, this was it. This was the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will go check out Betty-Jean, because you just have to, okay? Please. As a favor to me, I owe you a coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again the next time. I don't know what else to say. I want to make a good impression and I don't know what else to say. That's it. I'm done, okay? I'm done. Bye. Thanks.